everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back again with one more amazing makeup look. This look is a bit bolder and a bit poppy look. As you can see, I have created this plum lips and just glossy and shimmery eyes all over. So I just want to break this chain of hesitation which we generally have. We feel ashamed, or we feel like a little bit scared of going overboard with the lip shades, with the dark lip shades. And I want each and every one of you to try this plum lip look, to create this look. And to know how I created this look, you have to tune into the video and watch it till the end. Before getting into the video, make sure you watch my video where I have told each and every detail how I do my base, contouring, highlight and blush, and I will be linking it in the description box down below. Do watch it, guys. So guys, this is the final look which I have created for you for the today's video, but it's a special request guys, if you can please recreate this look, make your lips grow bolder and poppier, and apply any shade which you love, plum, black, purple, any shade which you like, and break this chain of hesitation which most of us feel while applying the lip, any bold lip color. Because I was amongst the one when I first applied the red lip color, that was a very popular shade and I was not able to see myself in the mirror. But today I am confident enough to apply even the darkest and darkest of shades on my lips, and I want you guys to get out of the shell and do it. To like my video, comment, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the like button, and until next time,